Hello all, I'm back with a new video today. So welcome back to the channel The Trading Game. Today is 31st of January 2020. Tomorrow we are having a big day. So February 1st, 2020 is our budget day. The budget happens once in a year, and especially this today will tomorrow will be a Saturday, and you might be knowing that tomorrow Saturday is a working day for stock market. So the stock market will be running tomorrow. So I'm here just to quickly go through a few of the points what you need to be prepared for the budget day. I mean, how you have to trade. So this is just about a few of the important points which you need to take care during the trading session tomorrow. Okay, so let's start with a few of the rules what you need to follow, without which there are high chances that you will be wiped out of the market. So let's quickly go through one by one. The first thing is what I request to you guys is don't do the trades for the day. So as the market will be too volatile, there is real no need of for one to take the trade. So especially for the retail traders. So please avoid that if possible. Totally avoid the trades because the market will be too volatile, and so none of the indicators works for the annual day. Sorry, for the budget day, like a bigger event like this. Okay, so but if you really think that you want to do some trades, then you need to follow the points without fail. So you should not ignore even one point which we'll be talking now. So failing which you may end up on a losing side. I mean, it will be a heavy losing side. So these are all the points which I'm telling based on my previous experience in the market for the last 10 years. 10 to 11 years. So please take care of yourself in doing trading. So the first one is no technical strategy works on the high volatile day. Don't rely on any strategy on the day. So what it means is that whatever the technical strategy, what we'll be following, so there are 90% chances, or even say 95% chances that it doesn't work because of the volatility, high volatility. So nothing works. So if you are trading tomorrow, it should not be based on any strategy. It doesn't work. Okay, so just keep this in mind. The next one is a very important thing. Don't short the options for any reason. So generally we say like shorting options is a good way of minting money, but tomorrow's session is not good for shorting options because of again the same volatility. So don't do the shorting of options. The reason you might be knowing that when there is a huge volatility in the market, you never know which side the market goes. So if you are shorting, for example, if you are shorting the CE, and by chance if the market goes up too much, then you will end up in a huge loss. Okay. Similarly, if you are shorted PE and the market goes down, so you will end up losing a lot. So better don't do any shorting of the options. Okay. So the next one is very, very important one. Don't take the leverage for buying or shorting the equities or the even the derivatives. Trade with the actual amount what you have. So you might be knowing that the brokers will give you all kind of leverages wherein they will allow you nowadays at least it is 20, 30, 40, 40 times. But obviously as it is a budget day tomorrow, the leverage will be reduced, but still even if it is reduced, don't take even like into two leverage also. So just trade with the actual amount what you have in your account. So taking the leverage will kind of push you to kind of tension if if the market goes against you. So it is not recommended to do that. So take care of the leverages. So don't take any leverage. Okay. Then next one is again it is about volatility. There are all chances that your stops will get hit on either side. So as I said, but there will be too much volatility. Like if you consider Nifty, there will be like 100, 150 points. Just like that, there will be movement on either sides, and there are all chances that your stop loss will get hit. So that is the reason why you should avoid the trades tomorrow, because whatever the place wherever you keep the stop, there are chances that it gets hit. The next one is risk reward ratio. So, because again, due to this volatility, so your risk reward doesn't work. So we can't do much anything about that. So because of this huge movement in the market, so we can't go systematically considering risk reward at least for tomorrow on the budget day. And very important one. So in case if you're doing the trade and if by chance if the target and stops are kind of near to your trades, make sure that you are not shifting the targets and stops for any reason. So what it means is that assume that you had bought Nifty at 12,050 and you have kept a target of 12,150, so meaning 100 points target. And generally what the traders do is whenever the target is reaching near to the price near to the target, so we'll be having a tendency of moving that again further to get a big profit. So similarly, while we are losing, so in order to avoid the price hitting the stop loss, we will move it further down so that stop loss doesn't get hit. So these are the very bad things to follow in the market. So please avoid that. So don't do this for any reason. Okay. So whatever the target and stop, initial target, whatever, and stop of, wherever you place, please make sure that it won't be modified at a later point. So let that hit, whether it is target or stop, and if it is so, then just get out from that particular trade. And the again, the very important point here is fix a maximum amount that you can lose on the day. So earlier I said don't take leverage and assume that you are having 20,000 in your account. So make sure that you trade only with that 20,000. Don't take leverage of like two, three times from the broker. So you trade with only that 20,000 and the you fix the losing capital before the market itself. Meaning, so out of 20,000, by chance if I'm losing 2,000, which is 10%, I won't trade. So make this kind of habit wherein once it reaches that particular level, you will be pulling yourself out of the market. So this is a very good strategy to follow in order to be in the market for a long run. Okay, so these are the points which I wanted to discuss with you, or just to guide you on these things, because missing even one point can totally wipe you out from the market. So that's why I just thought of like letting you know about these particular things. And these are the points which actually applicable for every intraday trading, not only for budget day. So even you can, I mean, these are supposed to be used for the regular intraday trading also. So please take care of all these things. My suggestion is there is real no need of trading tomorrow because the market will be volatile. So better it is just good to sit back and relax on the day, considering it as just another Saturday, and enjoy your weekend without going into the trade and losing money in the market. Okay, so with that, we'll end up the session. Thank you so much for your time. So please do like the video and subscribe the channel. It gives some motivation for me to do further videos, and also share the video with your friends and family so that it will be helpful for the other people also. Okay, thank you so much again. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.